Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, this one's going to be a quick down and dirty one because I am in the RV. I cut off the air conditioner for this video, and it is hot. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. This is bound to be a good one. All right, family, like I said, I'm close to Durham, North Carolina, I believe it is. If you're a friend of the other channel, the Red channel, the RV Adventure with Rosie and Red, you'll see some upcoming footage. And we've been traveling now for about 5 days. We're on a 9 to 10 day adventure. We're going to Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, but you'll go check that out on the other channel. All right, family. The reason we're doing this video is, since we were on that long trip, we started to bring our large air fryer. But if you're in an RV, you have limited space. So what we did was went to Walmart and we looked for the smallest air fryer that we could find. This air fryer has been around for 3 or 4 years. We just were never aware of it, but it fits our needs perfectly. So I thought to myself, I haven't used it before. I warmed it up to burn off any residue or whatever and clean it up. But I'm going to do some chicken wings. Lady Red, my wife, is with her daughter Chanel. Yeah, you want to play. Look at it. You want to play? I can tell. No. Yes, you do. No. That's going to be his favorite word for the next couple of months.
What is he?
He'll grow out of the nose.
Playing?
About 25 miles away at her apartment. I'm here in the RV park by myself. She left me chicken wings. She left me just a freezer full of food. I'm here by myself for approximately 2 days while she visits with Chanel and the grandkids, and I'm free to use her air fryer. She's never even broken it in. I asked her, do you want to do the initial uses? She said, nope, it's all yours. Go for it. So, without further ado, here we go. All right, family, this is a real simple unit. I got it tilted over right now on the handle, but as you can see, it's a real simple unit. It has 4 legs underneath. It has a small pull-out tray. It has a knob on the front for time, and the time goes up to 30 minutes. And on the top, it simply has a light that says power. Once you turn on the heat, it says heating, and this thing goes up to 400 degrees max, and it goes down to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, family, so without further ado, I'm gonna load this thing up with about 4 or 5 chicken wings, and we're gonna see exactly how well it performs. All right, y'all stick around. We'll be right back. All right, family, we're gonna start out with about 5 hot wings, and these are the hot wings. They are seasoned or coated with a wet rub, which is going to make cleanup a bit more difficult. And in the RV, once again, that's one of those things that you try to avoid, is a cleanup that's taxing. Let me lower y'all down right there. All right, family, so we see we got the hot wings in. We're gonna slide this thing in place. All right, we got the temperature set at, we're gonna go ahead and set it at 400 degrees. We're gonna start out at max. We're gonna set that at 400 degrees. And we're gonna set these wings at about, let's do 12 minutes. All right, family, so I'm gonna sit y'all right here. We're gonna do the 12 minutes. We'll come back, we'll check the wings. Matter of fact, about 6 minutes. At about 6 minutes, we'll turn the wings over. Then we'll let them go for 6 more minutes, and we'll see what we're working with. Y'all stay tuned, we'll be right back. Family, it's been about 6 minutes, so it's halftime. You can hear that sizzle. They're going about their business. I probably should have sprayed this with some Pam, but since these were already lubed, we didn't worry about that. And they're not sticking at all. And so far, they look spectacular. All right, family, we turn them over. Go ahead, and as you know, when you pull this tray out, it stops frying, but I still hear the clock ticking. So you need to be quick about it, or you're losing time and you're losing heat. So there you have, oops, what we got here? There we have it. Boom. And family, as with any air fryer, just a heads up, you know this thing, all air fryers have to vent somewhere. And this one vents right here about halfway down, and it is hot. So if you put that next to a wall or next to something flammable or something that's, you know, not heat resistant, just be aware. You get a lot of heat. If you got 400 degrees here, you're getting 375, 300 degrees out of the back of this thing. So that's just a heads up. All right, family, we're gonna go ahead and let this thing do its remaining 6-7 minutes. And we're gonna do a taste test and see what we got here with these hot wings and things. All right, family, y'all stick around. We will be right back. All right, family, we're back. We just got the ding, and that was 12 minutes on a mostly thawed out set of chicken wings. We had 5 wings, and they were about 75-80% thawed out. All right, show you what we're working with. Look at that, family. Look at that steam. Now, this is a $35 to $39 air fryer, Walmart special. Been on the market for a while, I guess 3 or 4 years. But if you have limited space, you're a college student, you're an RVer, or you just have a lot of appliances on your countertop like I do, I think this thing is perfect. We're going to use it strictly in the RV. This is going to be its new home. We'll probably either shelve it under here or under one of these cabinets right here. I got to remind Lady Red not to use this thing because its home is actually going to be right here. But on the inside, if y'all can see that, it's going to be right there. Its home is going to be right there, but on the other side of the coffee pot. It would be more than easy just to pull this tray out and fire that thing up. But we got to remember the heat. Cannot use that thing next to a flammable or a soft countertop or anything of that nature because it is very, very, very hot. All right, family. This has been a quick, down and dirty video, and it's been one on the road. I am currently in the Carolinas. We've done Georgia, we did Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, leaving in a couple of days, headed back to Louisiana, taking our time. We're traveling about 5 hours a day, shut it down, do some shopping wherever we are, doing some local sightseeing, do some trails. We brought the bicycles, but once again, that's for the other channel, the red channel, RV Adventure with Rosie and Red. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this brief air fryer video, my tiny, tiny newest member to the family, y'all give your boy a thumbs up. Hey, and I will catch y'all in the next video. It's probably going to be a Hot Logic video from right here on the road. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. It is your boy, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Mm, 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 mm.